In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import invoices in Zoho Books from Google Sheets. By following this process, you'll be able to seamlessly transition your invoice data from Google Sheets into Zoho Books, allowing you to manage your financials more effectively. So, let's get started with a step-by-step guide that will walk you through the entire process. First, open up your web browser and navigate to Zoho Books. If you've already got an account, just log in using your credentials. If not, you will need to set up an account first. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to the Zoho Books dashboard. From here, look for the Sales section. You can find this option in the main menu on the left side of your screen. Click on Sales, and you will see a list of options related to sales activities. Next, select the Invoices option from the list. Clicking on Invoices will bring you to a new screen where all your current invoices are displayed. You'll notice various options here, but our focus is on something specific. Look for the More Actions button. It should be near the top of the screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu provides various options for managing your invoices. Now, move down the drop-down list and find the option to import invoices. Click on this, and it will take you to a new page where you can begin the import process. On this page, you'll notice a button that says Choose File. Clicking this button will open up a File Explorer window on your computer, allowing you to select the Google Sheets file you've previously saved as an appropriate format such as CSV. After selecting your file, click the Open button to upload the file into Zoho Books. Once the file is uploaded, you'll need to click the Next button. This action will take you to a screen where you can review the data you are about to import. Here, you will have the chance to confirm that everything looks good. If there are any issues, this is the ideal time to make corrections or go back to your spreadsheet and fix any discrepancies. You'll find that the process of verifying and confirming the data is repeated. Clicking Next more times, ensuring everything aligns correctly with Zoho Books requirements. Additionally, Zoho Books may prompt you to map certain fields, matching them with their corresponding counterparts in Zoho's database. Finally, once all is verified and everything checks out, you'll reach the point where you can click on Import. This final step commits the data, transferring your invoice information from the Google Sheets file into Zoho Books. Your imported invoices should now appear in your list, ready for you to manage them further as needed. Congratulations, you've successfully imported your invoices. This streamlined process not only saves you time, but also ensures your accounting remains organized and up to date.